Today we will discuss about how to record sale of fixed assets in Tally Prime. If you are selling of your fixed assets, for example furniture, which you do not trade in, you can record such sales in Tally Prime. You can also adjust the profit or loss arising out of such sale using a journal voucher. When you are selling the fixed assets, you can record a sales transaction in Tally Prime. For example, the fixed asset was purchased for 5 lakh and the depreciation was accounted as 4,60,000. The value of the fixed asset was 40,000. It was then sold for 50,000 at a profit of 10,000. From the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers. Select F8. Press Ctrl plus H to select the required voucher mode. Accounting invoice in this case. Under party account name, select cash or bank for cash sales. For credit sales, select the party name. Under party details, provide the buyer details. If you do not see the party details screen, press F12 and set Provide receipt, order and import details to yes. Select the fixed assets ledger grouped under sales accounts. Enter the amount. Provide narration if needed and accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save. Press Alt plus P to print the invoice. The sale value will appear in the trading account and sales register. You can record the same transaction in journal voucher as per your business needs. However, as it is a journal voucher, you cannot generate a sales invoice for this transaction. To view the journal voucher, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, press F7, debit the party ledger, credit the sales ledger, accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save. The values of such transactions will appear in the relevant reports. Account for profit on sale of fixed assets. You can account for the profit made on sale of fixed assets using income ledger. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, press F7, debit the sales ledger and enter the sale value. Credit the fixed assets ledger and enter the asset value. Credit the indirect incomes ledger. The amount appears automatically. Accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save. The values of such transactions will appear in the relevant reports. Account for loss on sale of fixed assets. You can account for the amount of loss incurred on sale of fixed assets using expense ledger. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, press F7. Now debit the sales ledger and enter the sale value. Debit the indirect expense ledger and enter the amount. Credit the fixed asset ledger. The asset value appears automatically. Accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save. The values of such transactions will appear in the relevant reports. Thanks for watching. Please do comment what you want to see in my next topic. Please share my videos with your nearest one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.